What rhymes with silver?
Silver.
Did you forget what I asked?
What? No. What rhymes with silver?
Yeah, what rhymes with silver?
Nothing.
There's a word.
Silver, pilver, gilver, dilver, rilver. I don't think there's anything that rhymes with it.
Those aren't words.
I know.
This is a word.
I don't think so.
What rhymes with silver?
I don't think there is a word that rhymes with silver.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.